Off top, this for the bad bitches only.
Me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jordan T. Banks. Today I'm coming at you guys with a hair review. So the Exclusive Hair Bar was kind enough to send me hair from their company. So today I'm going to be reviewing the hair, showing you guys my honest thoughts. And yeah, stay tuned because at the end of this video I will release a discount code that the company provided for me. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into this video. Before we get into this video, I just want to remind you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment. I love hearing your thoughts. I want to hear your thoughts on this hair. Please follow me on my social media. My social media will be linked in the description box. So yeah, let's just get into this video now. So the hair comes in this package and it just says virgin hair, and it's this really like pretty pink packaging, and it comes with like these little tassels, so it's super cute. And then you open it up and you're gonna see the hair inside. Y'all gonna be shook when you see this hair color. Actually, y'all probably saw the title of this video. And then it comes in a hairnet. I did kind of open it the first day, so this is not the company's fault. I just was like rushing when I opened it the first day. But it comes in this hairnet, and you just kind of take the hairnet off, and this is what the hair looks like. So this is what the hair looks like. It is super soft, like softer than people's probably natural hair. It's super soft, super beautiful. Literally running my fingers through it right now is super easy. It's not tangling. It smells good. It doesn't have like that like beauty supply store smell when you have certain hair, because certain hair you do get that smell. It smells really good. It's really soft. It says it comes pre-plucked, so I'll show you guys the hairline, but it says it comes pre-plucked. This is a lace front wig, so in the front of course you have your lace, and then when you get towards the middle you do have tracks. So that's how this wig is structured. And then if you look on the inside, there are 3 combs. You have a comb right here in the front, and another comb in the front, and then you have a comb in the back. And it does come with some lace at the bottom, at the back. If you wanted to put it up into a ponytail, you do have that option. You do have adjustable straps as well right here if you wanted to tighten it and make it comfortable for your own head. Personally, I have really thick and long hair, so I am going to go ahead and cornrow my hair. But also I just want to say that if you do have really thick and long hair, you still can rock wigs, you still can change it up. I love versatility, so this is a really good way to, you know, see how certain hairstyles look on me without having to like alter or like damage my natural hair, which I absolutely love. So the hair, it comes in a variety of inches that you can order, 8 to 24 inches. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling, but I really wanted to show you guys what the hair looked like before I put it on. And I'm gonna go ahead and braid my hair down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the process of like installing it, how I style it, because hunty, I'm so freaking excited. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm about to be looking like a whole freaking snack baddie, okay? Okay guys, so I'm giving y'all a halfway update. Right now my hair is halfway braided and half still needs to be done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up this side, and then we can start on this wig review. I just have an old wig cap that I had from before. I really can't find my good one. This is not my favorite. So I'm just taking my hair, and then I'm just tucking my braids. This is as flat as it's gonna get for my hair because I have really thick hair, really long hair, so my hair will not get any flatter than this, period. But I think this is pretty good. Let's get to the good part. Let's put on our wig. This is my first time ever wearing red hair, so I'm dummy excited. But I'm just gonna take the wig and just put it on like so. So give me 1 second. I want to make sure it fits well. Oh, ho snack Betty John. Okay, This is what the wig looks like, you guys, the hairline. I obviously want it to be more to the front, so I think I am gonna go ahead and fix my adjustable straps, but y'all can obviously see the hairline and get into it. I'm about to be looking cute. So yeah, give me 1 second because I think it needs to be tighter. I made it so it's tighter. Y'all could go ahead and definitely use y'all adjustable straps for that. For sure. I'm pulling the wig forward clip to clip back my hair so I can see exactly which lace to cut. So I went ahead and I cut the lace of this wig off camera. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of just try to apply it. I cut the lace off, so this is what it looks right now. I'm gonna make sure that everything is pressed down and stick. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna show you guys the parting in the front. It's a bunch of parting in the front. So you can see you can part it anywhere in the front that you want. So that's really nice. I'm actually gonna try to do like a side part. So I'm just taking my hair and kind of combing it to this side. Taking the wig and combing it. Literally I just parted it to the side. I'm kind of just taking it, and then I'm gonna grab my mousse and kind of set it in this side part. So it's a little easier to do. So I'm taking mousse kind of all across the top, and I'm gonna just kind of set my side. As you can see, I'm kind of just brushing it with the mousse in this direction, going to the side. And with the side part, of course, there's like any lace that needs to be fixed, I will definitely go ahead and fix it. But that's basically what I'm doing right now, is just brushing it to the side, and then I'll fix my lace. This part is a little you know, it's too much lace, so as you're doing this you can definitely tweak your lace and cut off anything you feel that you want to cut off. So I'm just gonna cut off this part. I just restuck that down, and now I'm just kind of brushing it. Just gonna go ahead and do this side because it's important, and I'll probably add some like curls and stuff, but I just want to show you guys how the lace is looking. So I'm gonna lay it a little bit more with a blow dryer, and I'll be right back. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm probably just gonna take some rubbing alcohol and clean off the excess glue, and then I'm gonna begin to go ahead and style it. But this is how it's looking, and this is with no baby hairs at all. This is gonna be a look. It's gonna be cute. So yeah, so I don't know where my rubbing alcohol is. I don't even think I own any, but I'm just gonna use water and like a tissue, and this is just to clean up some of this like excess glue that's on my forehead. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing right now, just cleaning off the excess glue on my forehead. So yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and finesse these baby hairs. The best part, I'm just gonna use my edge brush, the one I'm gonna use for my natural hair, and kind of go ahead and start to finesse the baby hairs in the motion I want them to go. I'm not actually gonna cut any baby hairs just because I don't really want to, but I'm just taking it, especially on this side, and gonna try to like start to finesse, especially in this area where some of my hair, like my natural hair, is kind of peeking out. But yeah, I'm always kind of light on the baby hair. So right now I'm just trying to finesse this side. I decided not to do any baby hairs, but I'm really just trying to like, I want this side to be behind my ear, but the problem is my hair is black, so I'm trying to like grab some hair from this so it looks a little bit better. And then I'm probably, for styling, just gonna go ahead and curl it. Okay guys, this is the final look of the wig. I went ahead and I finished curling it, and I did my makeup as well. I added like a little red tint to the eyebrows. That's how it looks from the side. The other side, and this is how it looks from the back. So this wig, my final thoughts, and I'm going to be extremely honest, this wig is a really good wig, especially for the price. Online it is right now selling for $82, and as promised, if you made it to the end of the video, I will give you my coupon code, which is hairbar10, and that guarantees you another 10% off, honey. So we doing it. But yeah, so this wig is currently $82 on the website plus a 10% off, and I think for that price this wig is really, really good. I just want to point out a few things before you guys go ahead and purchase this wig. I just want to say that this was not really a beginner friendly wig. So if you're very, very new to the wig community, I mean, this is the first wig you're ever going to purchase. Just know, if you do want to purchase this wig, it is going to take a little bit of work to perfect. I am relatively new to the wig community. I used the Got To Be spray because I know those parts of the videos, just because I was learning, I didn't film as much. So I used the Got To Be spray to glue it down in the Got To Be glue. Also, the hair quality is literally amazing. Like, this wig curled beautifully, the shape is beautiful, I love the cut. Like, look at myself right now, I'm like, who the fuck is that? I'm so cute. But anyway, This is a perfect buy for you. The hair quality is amazing, the price is amazing. All you have to do, and the hairline, I did nothing to the hairline, literally nothing to the hairline. So that is really good for y'all. All you need to do is glue it down and that's it, you're done. And you know, just style it. If you're looking to try some color, I was really nervous about trying color just because I've never done it before without the roots being dark. So I was like, oh my god, I'm scared. But now looking back, I can actually say that I actually do like the color. I like the way it's looking right now on camera, and I like the way it reads in person. It is out of your comfort zone. Definitely try this wig. But yeah, my final thoughts on it were, I love the color, I love the cut, I love the, like, I cannot emphasize enough hair quality. This hair quality is literally amazing. I usually wash my wigs before I wear them. I didn't even wash this wig, and it was literally, it didn't have that nasty smell. It wasn't like gritty and hard. It is super soft, super easy to run my fingers through. It was a very manageable density. It curled super well, and this is me just speaking from experience. I'm keeping it real with y'all. So those are definitely the pros of the wig. The only con I have is if you are a beginner like I am, you know, having to glue down the wig was a little bit harder for me and took a little bit of time. But yeah, I really like the wig. I really like the way it turns out. You know, this is definitely a Valentine's Day vibe. You know, I'm feeling myself, sis. This is definitely a Valentine's Day vibe. So, you know, Valentine's Day is literally, by the time I post this, it's gonna be tomorrow. So yeah, if you guys want to pick this wig up, please do. Just like I said in the beginning of this video, this wig is from the Exclusivehairbar.com, and when you visit their website, it's super easy to manage. You just click on it, and you're gonna click on the bottom icon, and it's gonna say wigs. They have two categories: bundles and wigs. You're just going to click on wigs, and this is going to be under the burgundy wig. So the website is super easy to navigate, and like I said, they have a coupon code right now, hairbar 10, which will give you 10% off. So yeah guys, I really hope you enjoy this video. I really hope you like it. I definitely stepped out of my comfort zone for this hair, but I really love it. It really looks Jessica Rabbit popping. But yeah guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like it, comment, and please like this red hair, subscribe to that red button, subscribe to my channel. That helps me so much guys. Bye.